Thank you bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Betway Premiership noma ngithi ibhola lase South Africa libuyile bafethu, obviously nabantu aba different, new introduction, ama player aboThato Sibiya lapha na kuma Mamelodi Sundowns, ama big two ase South Africa akwazile ukuwina, which is Mamelodi Sundowns ne Kaizer Chiefs. Then uKevin Hunt simbonileke naye first win yakhe uphethe uShikufazo Mabasa, iplayer la kuOrlando Pirates eliphelelwa icontract. But ke ngifuna ukuqala la bafethu ukuthi sinenkinga ebholeni lase South Africa. Why? Ibhola lase South Africa liko professional. Abantu obviously they sell it as the biggest league on the continent, but see, that's not the reality. Why ngisho kanje bafethu? Why abanye abadlali ku Betway Premiership bahola less than 10,000? Why izinto ezifana nama salary cap azikho ku Betway Premier League noma Premiership azikho? uMamkhize mayekhipha ama records wakhe and everything, sabona ukuthi abafana baholi bafew bafethu abantu abaholi imali serious lana ku PSL. And I think ibhola lase South Africa li professional kuma big 3 kuphela. That's where you get imali yangempela. Noma ke you have to build a profile. If bokuyi league right ngempela ngabe ke inama rules. Ama rules are protect ama team, yes, a protect futhi nama player. Ukuthi ama player angaholi lese ama slave salaries. Yes, in terms of like ama brands, marketability, what super sport or Betway is into different. We can claim ukuthi we are the biggest league on the continent. But what about ama player on the ground abangaholi lutho? Abafowethu abahamba ngamateksi. But ke singeneni ke ema matchini lawe swabukele, Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukuwina 1-0. It was not convincing, obvious ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina lapha nabafana, but win. I think from le win laba itholile bazokwazi ukubuild momentum. Nanokuthi ke ba introduce abafana abancane abaningi. I think abantu abaningi bajabulile ukubona uThulani Touch Mabaso. Dala sikhuluma ngayo umfana wase Midlands sisho ukuthi u deserve a chance. Bamnika i-chance uzokwazi ukuprove ebholeni lase South Africa nabantu abaningi ukuthi bakwazi ukumthanda, ukumlandela because of he has the heart. Inteleka lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs ngizo William Katsanda khuluma ngayo ukuthi it's not just the talent, but when every time you're given an opportunity to perform for a team enkulu kumele umake sure ukuthi uya deliver ama results. Khona into engayithandanga engakhuluma ngayo earlier on ku channel ukuthi ama fans afuna ukulok dictator lapha ukutshela ucoach ukuthi benzeni. Obviously ke kunama different opinions on the ground ukuthi ama coach aku Kaizer Chiefs lawa khona well equipped ukuthi akwazi ukulead Kaizer Chiefs to greater height. Enye into ebalekile, Kaizer Chiefs ya ku CAF Confederations Cup izodlala ama back to back games nezamalek. Into esingabuza yona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukuthola i6 points na, because if Kaizer Chiefs ayikwazi ukuya kuma knockout stages, iphuma kuma group stages, Kaizer Chiefs is bigger than Zamalek, is bigger than wonke ama team alaphana ku group le abakuyo laphana. Because of if abanye abantu bazo argue bathi Zamalek is bigger than Kaizer Chiefs, ngani ngama fans they're not big, ngama cup I'm not sure, but ke Chiefs I think they have ama cup amaningi because of ibhola lase Egypt lidominator iAl Ahly, siyakwazi sonke lokho. So iZamalek is smaller team compared to Al Ahly. Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team in South Africa in terms of market value. Well, wait, sichaze kahle because ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bazoya emaplayeni isibheke lese ama transfer market bazothi maybe iZamalek is bigger, but in terms of brand nje as a whole. So kuzoba big embarrassment for Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bayi knock out. Kumele ba make sure ukuthi at least if noma baba knock out but bayakwazi ukushaya iZesco back to back, bakwazi ukushaya Al Masry home babe na 9 points, and then mabaya le eGepita bakwazi ukuthola idraw babe na 10 points, and then they can take it from there ukuthi akufana abafana bazamile. But amagoli azobuya kubani lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs because of ama strikers wabo or strikers abekho sure udlala la ukudlala lo asikho strike ongathi yabona lesi siyathenjwa ngempela. But iwin njengoba bengishilo bafethi iwin, sobona ukuthi abafana bazokwazi ukucompete na. Khona into abayishilo iconfusion ya ku Kaizer Chiefs bathe ngeke basalona ama big talent wabo, but ke manje kulona I think ama player u9 ku Kaizer Chiefs mangibabala abafana bonke khona ba ku Casric Stars oManqoba, ubani uGosana if ngilisho kahle igama la khona baseBotswana, uHappy Mashano, uSamkelo Zwane bakuloni bonke. But I remember few months back bathi ngeke babalone kusho ukuthi manje bashintshile. I think it's a good way of doing things. Angithi kuthiwa indoda yakwazi ukushintsha lise imicabango yayo or the way beyiplanning ngakhona izinto because of you have to adapt nesikhathi samanje. If you are bringing players into the team and uyabona ukuthi abafana seba ready uya ku first team but uyabona ukuthi abakabi qualified ukuthi badlale le first team eKaizer Chiefs ngoba i-competition high, obviously kumele at least babasende kuloni babone ukuthi abafana bazoperforma kanjani. But ke sobona so i-tracker ilo ukuthi bazodlala kulama team lawa abazoya kuwo and then you will take it from there. League number 3, 27 points. They are back ekubangeni league nabo they are there cause maningi ama team azodrop ama points, maningi ama team azovumbuka nje middle of nowhere akwazi ukucompete for izinto, but still I don't think Kaizer Chiefs in a chance of win i-league. They're not that convincing, but the unpredictability of Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi going back to Nedbank Cup last season, yes, cup competition udlala ama game a few uyakwazi kuyiwina, but bakwazi ukudominate Sundowns first game semi final Nedbank Cup, bakwazi ukudominate Mamelodi Sundowns laphana, bakwazi ukudominate Orlando Pirates last 10 minutes of game bazama ngempela kuyidominate Orlando Pirates. So i-team unpredictable nase-Africa maybe ngazama ukusurprise kulama game ayi4 wasele, but ke sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani laphana eNaturen. As for i-Sundowns ke, Sundowns bedlala nge-B team for i-Sundowns, but ikwazile ukushaya i-Orbit College. Imagine B team makuzobuya ukhulisa umundawo ukubuye namanye ama player oTebu Home kwena if bazoqala ama game uyabona ukuthi kuzoba inkinga eserious lapho. Bane squad esipowerful, obvious ucoach wakhona bamthembi as a team lapha nabamthembi at all Miguel Cardoso. Bacabanga ukuthi omunye ucoach angenza kangcono kakhulu with the squad or depth abanayo lapha as i-Sundowns. Basaden Nkosi yami ngiyakuzwela bafu. For me, you're the biggest star in terms of left back ebholeni lase South Africa. But into engijabulele kakhulu uThathu ukuthi finally umfana omncane ufikile ku professional setup and uyithathile chance yakhe. Imagine first game ever as the first team player but uthola i man of the match. Unforgettable, right? Noma ngadlala next 20 years but le moment le ngeke ayikhohle. Second half of the season Orlando Pirates ibheke ukuthi obviously ikwazi ukuwina ileague, but into esingazibuza yona bafethu ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukubekezela na, ngeke ikwazi ukudropa egijimiseni ileague. They have the squad, they have the talent, but into engichaza kakhulu ngePirates iwe great yabo. I mean wonke umuntu lapha usebenza kanzima, but into engabhayizisi Orlando Pirates ukuthi already oswina police banama interest from overseas, bazokwazi ukufocus na ukuthi balethi success nelo success lapha na ku Orlando Pirates. Abo Muremi babakhuluma kahle abroad, different players ba attract interest, and then unama player afana nabo ubani Olisanda bangakadlali laphana. Umbokazi uhambile izoline up kanjani Orlando Pirates. Without umbokazi zobona ukuthi izoshape kanjani nanokuthi abafana bazodlala kanjani. Ibhola lase South Africa bafethu alo ownwa abantu base South Africa. Mangithi alo ownwa abantu base South Africa ngikhuluma ngokuthi i-DStv ithengise ama-shares wayo, athengisela i-company yase-France. Company yase-France take over everything. I-deal ye-PSL ne-DStv seyiphelile noma izophela kumele bayi-renew. And i-channel yase-France or i-media company yase-France if yona i-decide ukuthi no ngeke sisathatha le 900 million si-sponsor ibhola lase South Africa because of maybe asitholi i-value back. Ama team afana nabo Magesi abo Orbit College awatholi viewership enough. They would rather maybe negotiate individual deals nama teams afana no Kaizer Chiefs. Kulapho ke la kubaleke khona ke in terms of like ama ratings ukuthi okay i-team ayitholi imali hayi ukuthi lento le grant ukuthi iyalingana. I-team njengase Europe lese ba implement style sase Europe ukuthi ama teams awathole imali based on i-viewership ne-brand association ukuthi okay makudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs i-Betway izo-advertiser, Hollywood izo-advertiser and bayazi ukuthi bazoba nama-eyeballs angakanani because of ama-Europeans i-business bayalazi. There's no way ama-Europeans athatha let's say 20 million bayifaka ku-Orbit ne-Magesi because of bayazi ukuthi ngeke bathole i-return lapho because of abantu abaningi abawabukeli lawo magame lawo. So if yasidropa ilo i-company yase-France kuzokwenziwa njani ngempela, or noma khona ama-company lese i-bank local companies azofika sponsor akhiphe lese lelo billion. asazi ngiyadoubt mina ukuthi akhona ama company like South Africa azokhipha leyo nto leyo mali leyo. And also i traditional TV i viewership ayisafani seyafa akusafani obviously nakudala bafuthi izinto sesishintshe kakhulu but will be interesting to see ukuthi deal bazoyinegotiate kanjani. But abantu abafana nabo Dr. Ivan Khoza, I mean they've been at the forefront since from the beginning 1996 1995. In fact, when South African football started being professional, almost 30 years ago, since then, ngaleso sikhathi leso man, azange li-own abantu ba local in terms of funding, because of umuntu one right or one say bafuthi umuntu ofaka imali. Mongayifaka imali then awuna say. That is why bakutshela ukuthi amanye ama team akumelanga sponsor amanye ama brand because of aclasha nento esponsor i-team noma i-team noma i-league zonke lezo zinto lezo. So sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani, but mina into engikhalela kakhulu bafethu ukuthi ama player kube ne salary like bazi lese entry wage ku PSL ukuthi imalini, hayi ukuthi nje mawufika team ikunika 9000 nawe ke awuna option uthembele ukuthi maybe next season uzokwenza kangcono and then ukwazi ukuthola lese deal from go Pirates yo 100,000 noma yo 80,000 maybe impilo yakhe yashintsha because of ama team amaningi bafethu ama player waholi. Isona ngoba ngiba nama conversations nama players ngiyabona ukuthi hayi inkinga le serious kumele iaddresswe in terms of like i-professional game nezinye izinto, but in next step ukuthi kuprotectwe ama player nabanye abantu nje aba-involve ebholeni. I'm thinking of something abantu abasha amagoli kakhulu ngifuna I wanna take you back kancane bafethu ebholeni history. I saw Bernard Parker ngavele ngacabanga i-own goal yakhe le wayishaya against, was it Ethiopia, one of the biggest own goals in history of Bafana Bafana. But amaphutha siyazi ukuthi ayenzeka, but khona lama own goal lawa unforgettable abafana nabo Dan Clayton walshaya I think against the Kaizer Chiefs because of the magnitude of the game, and then abantu abaningi bazokhuluma ngayo leyo moment leyo. But yeah, I was also enye into bengifuna ukuyikhava ukukhuluma ngayo, asinayo strike eSouth Africa, siyastruggle abafethu ngeyistrike struggle kakhulu futhi ayikancane. So bengibheke uCupido lo odlalela iStelis ukuthi lo muntu kubafana banokumselecta kubafana but ke mawubheka ama stats wakhe aphuwa bafethu, aphuwa ngempela. You can't even sell him. Ufana no Morris, yabona uCupido no Morris, maybe striker eCape Town azikho, I think ba produce o goalkeeper than striker, but if kubafana so select uCupido mhlambe ngesizini oshaya 4 goals sithini ngempela. Ushuthi i-striker zikho enjalo kumele kubhekwe lese abroad. That is why iMamelodi Sundowns bafethi ikwazi okulokhu njani ukuthatha ama player lese overseas ukuthi eze lana azosiza noma azosiza in terms of ukushaya ama goal bafethu. Zizokhala Betway Premiership is back. If ngizopredict njengoba sengiyivala Orlando Pirates winning the league or izo collapse, Sundowns siyazi ukuthi izobagijimisa until the end if bazogijimisana. But it's for Orlando Pirates to lose the race. Konke kusezandleni sabo. Danko bafethu. Nkuli Soccer. Cela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe ku Omni Audio sikhulise page, simake sure ukuthi uyalike mawubona into moyithanda uyilike, simake sure ukuthi siyayikhulisa ichannel nanokuthi ke ama video abe makhulu. Ngicela ukuzibamba la nokwamanje bafethu. Danko.